Hello, teacher. My name is Jennifer Renteria Murillo. Task 4 is STEM. So I'm semantics. Good. 26. Introduction to Language. Open and Distance University. UNAT. Pronunciation. Numbers different. 12, 19. 12, 19. Different. The 12, 19. 12 and 20. 12 and 20. 20 and 30. 20 and 30. 14 and 40. 14 and 40. 15 and 50. 15 and 50. 16 and 60. 16 and 60. 17 and 70. 17 and 70. Different. 18 and 80. 18 and 80. 19 and 90. 19 and 90. Numbers different. Different heads. Pronunciation different heads. Example the heads. Example the heads. His name period. His name period. His car is red. His car is red. His cat is sweet. His cat is sweet. His friends are good. His friends are good. His brother is nice. His brother is nice. His mind is angry. His mind is angry. Different the his hits. Example the heads. Example the heads. His period. His period. His driver are a red cat. His driver a red car. He's a sweet car. He's a sweet car. He's a good friend. He's a good friend. He's a nice brother. He's a nice brother. He's angry. He's angry. Different his hits. Example. The hits. One does car. Does car. Does his car. Does his car. His family is large. His family is large. A crazy man. A crazy man. Here's a crazy man. Hey, a crazy man. Hey, he come home. Hey, come home. Um, thank you.